Okay, great. So now we have the ideal customer profile set up. We can come to the buyer personas. And when it comes to creating a buyer persona profile, there are many templates, many ways to do it. Some of them good, some of them bad. I hope that the way that I will present you is one of the good ones. And it did prove valuable to a lot of startups and organizations that I used to cooperate with. So allow me to go through it step by step. So the first thing I do is I try to figure out who is the user of my product or service, or in terms of high volume services, I try to figure out who will our team be talking to the most. So this might be when it comes to CRMs, this might be a sales representative. When it comes to custom software development, this might be project manager, product owner. Uh, depending on the type of service or product you provide. When I established who it is, I try to figure out how can he name himself on LinkedIn, so to say. So if I check out the profiles, does the people name themselves project managers, product owners, etc., 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 and try to write it down over here. Next level up, I'm trying to figure out the people that the decision maker free, as you can see over here, is reporting to. And in terms, for example, of a smaller sales team, this might be a head of sales on this stage. So I'm typing in head of sales. When it comes to product owners, this might be the CTO. So we type in CTO, head of technology, and try to figure out how many different names for this position there might be. And at the very end, I'm looking at the decision maker number one. And of course, everybody would love it to be the CEO, but it's not always the case. So don't go searching shortcuts over here, because depending on the size of organization, different positions might have different responsibilities. So okay, the end decision maker might be a CEO when the company is around 50 people, but when the company is around 250 people and you're trying to buy a CR and you're trying to sell a CRM, the person buying will be a head of sales, a vice president of sales, a chief sales officer, whichever name they choose to name themselves in their particular region.